All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to clean a soft shell crab and cook it. Let's go. First thing you do, cut the face off. Then you go ahead and cut the lungs off, okay? Now go ahead and cut it off on both sides, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest and then we're gonna rinse them off. All right, y'all, now go with a whole can of evaporated milk. My Cajun seasoning, whatever you have. Go with a 1/4 teaspoon of my hot sauce or whichever one you have, okay? Get you some Zatarain's fish fry, y'all, seasoned already. Go with a 1/2 bag. And then go with more Cajun seasoning, because you can never have enough. Go ahead and throw that crab up in that milk and that good seasoning. And of course in that batter. Go ahead and repeat that process till you're done with them, guys. Now your deep fry is already preheated, 350 degrees. Drop your crab in for 3 minutes. Go ahead and check that beautiful crab out, y'all. All right, guys, he's done. Go ahead and put him on a tray and let him cool down. See me, I love some good onion rings with my soft shell crabs, y'all. Just goes good together. All right, my friends, when it comes down to some Louisiana blue crabs, ain't no better way to do them. If you're dealing with soft shell crabs anyway, then you go ahead on and drop them in that fry at 350 for about 3 minutes on each side. I'll tell you something, it'll change your whole life when you eat these crabs. All right, guys, now go ahead and check out these delicious fried soft shell crabs.